Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something very exciting. It will be mind blowing, believe me. AI can write SQL queries now. So basically, ChatGPT is a chatbot which is developed by OpenAI company. It is backed by machine learning and lot of algorithm behind, and you can chat with it. You can ask queries and lot of things. But I will talk about queries today. You can just ask queries and it will write query for you. Okay, in this video we will start with a simple query and we'll go to the advanced query as well, and it will be able to write it seamlessly. Okay, so watch this video till end. It will help you in your day-to-day work. It will give you some basic queries at least. On top of that, you can build your custom queries. Okay, so let's start this video and like this video and share with others so that everyone can get help out of it. So let's start. So let's start a simple query first, that write a SQL to give details of highest salaried employee, right? So what I want employee who has the highest salary in the department, highest salary, right? So if I just put this, it will write a query. So you see what it is doing? It says select name, basically employee name, salary from employees, order by salary. So it is ordering by salary descending, right? And limit one. So it will give me details of highest salary employees. And the best part is it will give you the explanation also. This SQL will return the name and salary columns from the employee table, sort the result by salary in descending order, and then limit the result just to keep the top one. Basically, if you don't understand the query, then you can read this explanation and you will understand how this query is running, right? Let's modify the query, and I will say write a SQL to give details of second highest salaried employee. Okay, let's see what it does. Now you see it is writing a CTE as well. So what it is doing, it is generating row number, right? Row number order by salary descending, and this is a CTE ending. And then it is saying give, okay. It is actually writing a multiple ways of doing it, right? Let it write, then we will go through it. Okay, so it is done. So first way is using a row number function. It is using a analytical functions to get the row number order by salary descending, right? We got the row number, and then it is saying where row number equal to 2 to get the second highest salary. Amazing. It is using CT advanced functions, everything with so perfection, right? The second way is to get the second highest salaries. It is saying give me employees where salary equal to max salary from employees where salary not in max salary. So first it is excluding the max salary, right? Highest salary, because we need second highest. So excluding the max and then again taking the max. So it will get the second highest. And it is saying where salary equal to this second highest salary. And then it is explaining also, right? So it is saying this query first find the highest salary and then exclude that salary from the subquery, and again find the highest salary, which is the second highest salary, and then it fetches the details of that employee. Amazing, right? Above also, this SQL query uses a CTE to assign a unique row number to each employee based on their salary in descending order, and then it selects the name and salary of the employee who have the second highest salary. Amazing, right? Can you believe it? AI is writing all these queries. Let's make it little more complex. Okay, write a SQL to give the details of highest salary employed in each department. Now I will say in each department, right? Let's see what it does. So we need department wise now. Basically, it should do partition by department, right? Let's see what it does. See, now it is doing partition by department. Amazing. So basically, it will assume some tables, right? Employee table. You can change your table name, but it will assume some basic table name and write the query. Okay, so it writes on multiple ways also, right? So mind blowing. I can't believe it. AI is doing all this, right? Okay, so if you see, as we expected, it is doing partition by department, because now we need for each partition the highest salary employed, right? So it is doing partition by department, order by salary, getting the row number within the CT, and then saying CT from CT where row number equal to 1. So from each department now you will get the highest salary employed. Okay. The second way it is, so there is another way. So there is a second solution to this problem. So what it is doing, within each department, it is saying what is the max salary, right? If you see the explanation, this query first groups the employee by department, and within each group finds the highest salary employee, right? So within each department, maximum salary, and then it selects the highest salary employee details in each department. Then in the outer query, it is filtering where department and salary in. So for each department, whatever maximum salary, only that row will be there, and you will get the result, right? Amazing. Mind blowing, mind blowing. Okay, let's move on to the more query. So let's say we have a orders table. I want the query to be written on an order table. So I will say, write a query, write a SQL to give details of highest of top 5 selling products, right? Let's run this. Do you want which products have the highest sales? So by default, it is giving me top 5. You see, I didn't say that is, I just wrote a SQL for highest salaried. So it is writing multiple ways. Let's wait, let it write. Okay. The best part I like is it explains also the query. Okay. So if we go up, okay, so what it is doing, I say write as equal to give details of top selling products. By default, it is giving me top 5. So what it is doing, see, it is doing sum of quantity, right? Because one product will have multiple sales, right? So it is doing sum of quantity, and on sum of quantity, it is doing row number. On the previous example, it knows that one employee will have only one row, right? One employee cannot have multiple rows, and we cannot sum the salary, right? Here it knows that a product can have multiple rows, and it is doing sum of quantity and then getting row number. And once row number is there, then it is saying row number less than equal to 5. Amazing, right? Amazing. In the next one, it is what it is doing, it is doing sum of quantity, right? And then order by sum of quantity limit 5, right? Amazing. So this is another way of doing it. Okay, so let me ask some more advanced queries. So what I will say, write a SQL to find top 5 and bottom 5 products, right? Write a SQL to find top 5 and bottom 5 products by sales. Okay, let's see what it does. So I want top 5 and bottom 5 based on sale. So what it is doing, it is writing a two window functions, one by ascending order quantity and one by descending order, right? So let it write quickly. Uh, yeah, awesome explanation also, right? It is writing in multiple ways, explaining it. I mean, what else you need, right? Even if you don't understand, you can just read what it is saying, and you will understand. In that way, you will learn the query as well, right? So if I go up little bit, what it is doing, it is within the CT, it is writing row number one by descending order of quantity, sum of quantity, right? Again, it is doing sum of quantity, and then one is ascending order, right? And then it is saying top row number, bottom row number. The naming convention is also good, right? And then from CT, where top row number less than equal to 5 or bottom less than equal to 5, right? In that way, we will get top and bottom both. Second way is what it is doing. First, it is defining the top one, right? Sum of quantity in descending and limit 5. That's it. No function, right? No analytical functions. Just order by sum of quantity, limit 5, descending. Second is order by sum of quantity, ascending, and limit 5. In both of them, it is then doing union, right? It is doing union because let's say they are less than 10 products, so we might have duplicates. So it understands that we have to use union, right? So that duplicates are removed. So it is amazing, right? It is amazing. Let's ask one more query. So I will say write a SQL to find products, to find customers who have never returned any order. So basically what I'm saying, that let's say you are ordering on Amazon, right? You have 10 orders and one of the order you have returned, right? But some customers have never returned anything. So I'm saying write a SQL to find customers who have never returned any order. Let's see. So now what it will do? Let's see what it does. So what it assumes is, it assumes there is another table returns, right? Let it write and I will explain you what it is doing. And it is again writing with two queries, right? So if I go up quickly, so what it is doing, there is a table, returns table. In returns table, we will have all the return order, and in return order, you will have customer name. Now it might be possible you might have customer ID in your return table, right? So what you will do, you will join with customer master table, get the name, right? But that is fine. You at least get the gist that what you have to do. So it is saying where customer name. So from the orders table, where customer name not in, select customer name from returns, right? Another way is it is doing using left join. So it is orders left join returns, right, on customer name, and then r dot customer is null. Basically, if there is no return, there will not be any entry in the return table, and r dot customer name will be null. So it is also using left join. So it understands when to use inner join, when to use left join, when to use subqueries. So it is amazing. It is amazing. But you cannot use it always, right? Because you might have very customized queries in your organization which you cannot ask, or there will be multiple tables. But as a business person, they can at least write basic queries now, or even if it is complex and they can define the problem in general way, they can get the solution, or at least some basic solution they can get it, and then people can write on top of it. So it is amazing technology. It is going to change the world, right? How it is writing SQL is amazing. And the best part, again, I will say the explanation, right? It explains what it is doing. It writes queries with multiple options. Okay, if you have not try it, just Google chat GPT, you will get the link. Try it out, and like and share this video, guys. It is going to help many people. Thanks for watching it. Have a great day. Bye bye.